Hi digicians. Whenever we want to promote our business online using digital media, the email marketing, the bulk email comes in our mind first, and we all are using bulk email solutions for promoting our business. Of course, every business who wish to promote their services online using the bulk email solutions. And this video is not about the bulk email sending software or application. This is about something different. So for bulk email solution, you can buy the credits at constant contact. However, the constant contact also provide the free uses, and you can go for free uses as well. And if you are really willing to buy the solution, this is the base solution for bulk emailing. This is why I am showing you. I'm not promoting this, in fact. So you can buy a premium solution as well, and it is going to be a perfect solution for all your email marketing needs. But yes, as I said, we are not concerned about the bulk email solution. We are going to talk a different thing. So since we are discussing the solutions and the ideas through which you can start a digital business. So in this video, we are going to explore a solution. This is of course on SaaS model. You can use this solution for your business or start selling this solution to your prospective clients, and by selling the platform, by allowing the users to register on your platform, you are going to whitelist this solution, and you are going to run this solution as solution provider. What is this solution? First of all, so it is going to help email marketing, and this is email list cleaner, in fact. So whenever we are using multiple email solution, even the paid email solution, we have limited number of emails, and every email counts a credit, and we are paying for email marketing, of course. So if the client or the business owners using the unfiltered email list, I mean the duplicate email list, invalid email IDs or email list, or bulk email, repeated mails, invalid mails, or whatever the blacklisted domains and all such things, they are going to lose their money, and the promotion for their business are not going to be successful, or not going to be fruitful at least. So if they are using, the businesses are using the unfiltered email list, this is a setback for email marketing, and their domain can be counted as blacklisted because they are sending unwanted emails, uncleared emails, and untargeted emails, and the domain provider or the hosting provider may block their domain even. So it is very necessary to use clean email list while we are going for email marketing, and this is the solution that we are offering, that you are going to offer to prospective clients, the cleaning of email list. So this is very important thing before we run any email campaign, to clean all the email. It goes without saying. So what this solution can offer? The bad MX emails, can remove the invalid emails, bounce emails, no reply emails, role based emails. So this is a perfect solution. Why list cleaning is important? So I'm much focusing about this. So this is the demand of email marketing. So personalization, cost effective, and automation is required in email marketing thing. And the MailTidy app clean your email list in just 3 steps. What you have to do: upload your list cleanup, and download the clean list that you can use at email marketing solution. This is very good idea to improve the deliverability of the email. So now, if we talk about the admin area, this is the admin area that you are going to handle as a business owner. As a solution provider. So this is dashboard which is showing the available credits, uploaded files, active autoresponders, and payment received. The dashboard is going to give you the basic reports. Further, at the first time you have to go for SMTP settings. So for setting up email through which this solution is going to communicate. You are not going to bulk email sender provider. Just make this thing clear in your mind. In the general settings, you are going to whitelist your solutions. So, and you can add the payment gateways here. So Razorpay is mainly and primarily used in India. Stripe is as well equally having potential, and it is a very good payment solution. PayPal is also here, just in case if you are providing the solution throughout the world. Google API keys can be integrated, email used for handshake. So this is the basic setting, and of course you are going to change the logo because it is a white label solution. It is totally going to be yours. So these are basic settings. In the general settings you can do all these things, and the default AR settings is again here. So here you can select the user autoresponder settings. Basically autoresponder is AR, and you can select the email list. So if any email is coming from the particular email, you can send auto response. Terms and privacy and invoice settings is next things that you can do, and this is very first time onboarding thing, and so you can change all the details as a at the service owner. And documentation is also included at the dashboard, just in case if you need any support, if you wish to understand how the system is going to work, you can go for documentation. Now coming back to the dashboard, you can create new packages that you are going to offer to your prospective clients who are willing to take this service, who are going to take this service as email cleaning service. So you can create new packages and you can keep the price. You can edit the existing package. It is very simple to edit. You can write the credits and the price, and this is the thing. And one credit is being used for any what I wish to show. So every cleaning is going to take one credit. So you can set the credits accordingly. So how much amount you want to charge, like a buy credit options for users of the system. One credit is required to validate one email. So accordingly you can keep the price. Keep the price very nominal because it is not very costly thing, and so they are just cleaning their email list. They are not sending the mail. So just keep in mind. So similarly, you can make packages. Buy credit options are here. So these are the buy credit options, and you can same screen will be available to users, in fact, so they can buy the credits. Users screen, and of course this is an admin screen, so it is showing everything. So for the email cleaning, email list cleaning, what the users are going to do, they are going to upload the email list, and once they upload the CSV, Excel, SS file or TXT file, so these three formats are allowed here, and they can upload and validate the confirm upload and the finish. And further, the process list can be seen here. So what has been cleaned up, and all can be say like this is the push option. So autoresponders, when the email gets cleaned, so it can be confirmed over mail of user. Like even you can push here. So like if you are going to post, like if it is connected to the email solution provider like MailChimp, so it can be pushed directly to the MailChimp. So it is like this. So users are going to configure the email solution provider here, and further they can view the clean list. So like this is the clean list and total emails, how many, what was the status of cleaning. Like this is the cleaned and suspended, invalid format, bounce, no reply, bad max or MX or invalid, or all the details can be seen. And further the list can be downloaded for further processing. Download selected list, and it is very, very interactive. So the iCredits process list. So this is the main area where users are going to work. They can upload their list and get the cleaned up email list, and further they can delete the process file. So they can either download the clean list and use further on email solution like constant contact, or they can even directly push the email from here. So if it is integrated, Okay. So now the user list can be seen here since it is admin who are the users, how much they have the credits, and you can use and create new users as well. You can edit the users. Payment history, you can check all the earnings, what you have received and the amount and the earnings and the medium and the payment ID. Autoresponders, as I have already said, so autoresponders is for uh, like here you can configure all the things, like if you are willing to change the configuration of constant contact, it can be changed here. So auto responders means all the email platform can be integrated here directly. Like I have shown you the constant contact, like users are going to configure this, don't worry. So you are not going to do all these things for users. So the same screen will be available for users. They can plug and configure the constant contact. If you are using the constant contact, they can put the API and say secret key and it will be integrated directly. So the interface helps them in sending emails directly from here, and otherwise they can download the clean file and use on the platform. So constant contact is here, MailChimp and Send, Lane and Active Campaigns, Get Responses, Campaign Monitor, ConvertKit. So all great email solution provider can be integrated here directly. So it is a great solution undoubtedly. Now I'm going to show you the user screen so that you may be very clear how users are going to interact or use the system. And this is the user interface. Okay, so what user can do? So as an admin, you can do everything, but the system users who are your clients, they can buy credits. Of course, they can check the dashboard. They can buy credits as is shown in the same screen in the admin. So they can buy credits for processing the email. Upload email list. They can clear up their email list. The process list can be seen or downloaded or pushed directly from here. What they have paid to you, I mean the platform owners. The autoresponders, as I said, they can easily configure the autoresponders from here, and the time zone can be set. So it is very simple and they can easily use the solution without any trouble. You don't need any support or mechanism for running this solution, and ultimately you are going to earn the money. However, the WhatsApp is integrated here just in case users are willing to join with you in conversation. So a WhatsApp link is here, and everything is working smoothly. We have tested in our backend, and this is going to be a perfect solution for email cleaning list. And the solution is available just for $99. It is worth taking this solution in $99 because it is going to much of your time. It is going to protect your domain even, and it is going to save your money when you are spending on email solutions. So it is very good to have this solution for email clarity, I mean email deliverability. So every organization should use this solution, such solution, so that they may run the email campaigns very clearly and in the optimized manner to get the optimum results. I believe this solution you can use at your own, or you can start selling this solution, and it is going to be a perfect match for your digital business. How do you like this solution? So write in the comment, or if you have any question regarding the solution, write in the comment. I will definitely try to answer your every queries. And yes, so once you buy the solution through the link, that is an affiliate link, we are going to configure this solution at your domain, at your hosting. So you might be thinking how you can start using this solution, where it is going to play. So it requires a domain, it requires a basic hosting, and you can do all these things at your own by reading simple documentation. But yes, we are available just in case if you need a ready to use solution. We are going to integrate and configure at your hosting without any price, don't worry. So you just need to follow the description link, that is an affiliate link. We are earning as an affiliate. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions, and this was a perfect solution. This is a perfect solution for email cleaning undoubtedly, and it is very rarely being used, and it is really very important to use such solution. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.